Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi! Did you know you could have your burger and lose weight? Check out my burger bash. They are 3 different kinds of ways to eat your burger, and each one is more delicious than the other. First thing, we're gonna make our patties, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chopped shallots and 4 tablespoons of chopped scallions. You can add any type of onion if you don't have exactly shallots and scallions. Then you're gonna add 4 sprigs of oregano. If you don't have the fresh oregano, you can use any other fresh herb you have. And this is something delicious. Here I tried some amazing Dijon mustard. Any mustard you have will work. Here's one of my secret ingredients, smoked paprika. I love it. It gives it an amazing taste. Then we add a pound of ground beef. Buy some ground beef that is low in fat if you're not active. If you're active and you use grass-fed beef, you can buy any beef you want. So now we mix everything, and then to hold it together, we are not going to add bread. We're only going to add 1 egg. My recipe does not need the egg because you're going to eat your egg in your burger, and you're going to choose the best bread you can, because one of the secrets of a great burger is a delicious bun. Then you just flatten it out, divide it into 4, and make 4 patties with 1 pound. These are going to be big enough burgers. Believe me, sometimes you buy a pound of meat and it comes very tightly packed and it looks like it's smaller. But once you open it up and air it out with the rest of the ingredients, you'll see that you have enough. Check this out. That's our 3rd patty. We are only making 2 in camera, simply because we want to show you so many things. But look at them. They look amazing and delicious, and we haven't added any salt. We're going to add the salt on top of the burger right before we bake it. Okay, so we have the patties, and now we're adding some frozen patties to our air fryer, and we added some salt on top. The first one, it seemed like it had a lot of salt on top. It was just the light shining, but you can add the salt you want. The amount that's best for you is just a pinch of salt. We're going to add so many delicious flavors. You don't have to really salt your patties. So in the air fryer, it's going to take 10 minutes at 390. In the convection oven, 15 at 350. And on a grill, it's going to take about 4 minutes per side for well done burgers, and a little less for medium and rare. Go ahead and try them out. They are delicious. We've cooked them in all 3 places, and they are a little different depending where you cook them, but the burgers are delicious. All of them, no matter where you cook your patties, because a lot of the ingredients that we're going to add are delicious. So here we have the big burger. We have our hamburger bun, and here comes one Chef Pachi's tricks. We're going to remove most of the inside of the bread bun, because here we're going to add some of the ingredients that constantly fall off the burger. That way every bite of our burger is going to be just as good, and we're going to get rid of some of that bread. So go ahead, do it on the top bun and the bottom bun if they're sliced in the middle, or just do it on the top bun if the bottom bun is very thin. Now we're going to add some Dijon mustard to the bottom of our bread. And this is that same Dijon mustard, delicious, that I added to the patty. On top, we're going to add some Pico de Gallo to our top bun that has more space to hold it. Then we're going to place our patty on top of the mustard, and on the other one you see there's some green thing. That's chimichurri. Okay, so now we're going to add some lettuce on top, and last but not least, we're going to add some chipotle sauce, Pachi's chipotle sauce. It's delicious, and it's very, very good, healthy, and amazing. You can use it for chicken wings, for many great dishes. Let's try out our amazing burger with pico and our great patties. Delicious, soft bread that I love. But look at them. They look amazing and delicious. Here we go, a burger bowl for those that prefer a patty in a salad. So we prepare our plate with all the greens we want, then cut a tomato in 8 parts, and we use half a tomato. You can use an heirloom tomato. Here we are using just a big tomato. Okay, so we're gonna add our half tomato to our salad, and here come some of our super delicious ingredients. We're gonna cut the avocado in 8s, and we're gonna add a couple of pieces of avocado to our salad. If you have a smaller avocado, because these are large pan-Indian avocados, you can cut it in 4ths and add a 4th of an avocado. On top, I have some peanuts and some amazing balsamic vinegar from Modena, Italy, and some delicious olive oil. Always keep great olive oil for your salads. Now we're gonna make our monster steak sandwich for those very active people that are exercising a lot. Now here we are reheating a piece of meat that I had left over. The trick there is use a very hot grill or pan so that it reheats fast. On the top bun, we added some cherry tomatoes and mozzarella bites with a little bit of basil that I had left over too. Now we're gonna add to our bottom burger the chimichurri sauce. So you see, we can reuse our foods in different ways. They make amazing and delicious meals without having to cook every single day. Now, we're gonna add our avocado cut into pieces. Check it out, how we go. And it's so much easier than peeling it or everything. That's how I do it. I always cut my avocado with the skin and then I cut it. Now we're adding a couple of teaspoons of Pachi's delicious chipotle sauce. And we're placing our steak on top of our burger. And that's it. Here you see there's 2 steaks. We have a big burger. Each piece of steak has about 3 ounces of meat. So that's for someone that's very big and has done a lot of exercise. Enjoy our amazing burger bash. Remember, before eating your burger, always have a cruciferous salad. And you can try Pachi's Never Gain Weight Salad. We're sending you the link so you can do it, and it's delicious. It's like a slaw. Ooh, amazing with lime and sesame oil. Delicious. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets, sustainable diets. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.